31.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to RWD Status. We're out here with another one, chilling with my boy Mauricio, and we're out here at a secret spot. We will not disclose the spot because of all of our other spots have been stolen, blown up, and they are gone. So this is our super secret spot. So shh, tell nobody. Anyway, we're gonna try to put together a little street banger for you guys. We already got the cars ready, got our little setup spot. And we're gonna try to throw down some good footage for you guys. So nasty skids, skid nasty. Fuck yeah! All right, guys. Well, Mauricio's gonna go for his warm up, and I'm gonna do a quick PSI check or tire pressure check, and we should be good to fucking go. So let's do this. So I guess just doing a quick tire warm up. God, I gotta choose my lighting really carefully. But I guess his tires are cold. Gonna adjust the PSI in the tires. We came with more than we needed, and we're just gonna start dropping it lower from there. So yeah, I'm gonna work on mine real quick and let him keep on doing his warm up. All right, so what was going on, man?
All right, so right now, basically, I'm just losing massive traction in the rear. I was ready for some aggressive drifting, but these are making it like a kind of delicate situation with the throttle. So kind of deciding whether to choose to the fresh tires right here or just keep running these down. But they're kind of our spares, so I think I'm just gonna change them.
All right. Well, you heard them. We're gonna switch out to the spare tires. They have a little bit more tire left. Yeah, so we're gonna end up changing to the spare tires. They have a lot more tread left on them, and these other ones are actually having uneven wearing. That's probably due to suspension. Probably due to some suspension issues that we're gonna take care of. But as for now, we're gonna throw these on. You can see they have a lot more tread. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna go for my warm up real quick, and we'll see how I run. I'm actually gonna do it with all the tire pressure that I have now, which is I think like 35 to 37 in the front and close to 40 in the back. Just want to see how it feels. And you know, again, I haven't slid the car since I redid the coilovers and the suspension. So it's, as of right now, I just want to get used to the car, see how it feels, and go from there. Yep. So see you in a second. I feel like my power steering is getting worse. Every time I turn the car on now, it makes a noise. Before,
Yeah, I think it is too. We got the one from the RB30.
Just cold.
Huh?
When it was cold, it would just make the noise. Now it's getting weird.
Yeah, every time you start the car, it does it.
Yay.
All right, lay down some shit. What?
yeah, guys, I fucked up. Alright, so obviously I'm not happy right now. I just fucking slightly spun out and hit something and my bumper's fucked. So in the current process of putting some fucking zip ties. But I'm fucking depressed, man. This sucks. This really fucking sucks right now. Out of like this whole entire open spot, I hit something. Motherfucker. Crap. This freaking sucks. I haven't had the kit even on for 3 months yet. Or maybe I have, I don't know. But I mean, it hasn't been that freaking long. Shit. I've only run one event with this freaking kit. So it couldn't have been that freaking long. Fuck! So, yeah, now I'm just gonna send it harder. Now I don't even give a fuck anymore. I mean, who cares now, right? So, send it.